Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get Twitter API key and OAuth client ID and client secret. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to the Twitter developer site and log into your Twitter account. Make sure you're using the account that you want to associate with the API key. Once you're logged in, look for the developer portal option and click on it. In the developer portal, you'll see an option to sign up for a free account. Click on this to begin the sign-up process. You'll be asked to describe how you plan to use the Twitter data and API. Be thorough in explaining your use cases, as this information helps Twitter understand your intentions. There will also be checkboxes for you to select. Make sure to check all relevant boxes and then click on the Submit button. Once you've submitted your information, you'll need to navigate to the settings. Here you might want to delete any existing project apps if they are not needed. To do this, simply go to the settings of the existing project and select the option to delete it. Next, you'll create a new app. Click on Add New App and give your app a name that reflects its purpose. Once you've named your app, click the Next button to proceed. This will bring you to a page where your new API key will be displayed. Make sure to take note of it, as this key is crucial for accessing Twitter's API. To finalize your setup, go to the app settings. Here you'll find a section labeled Keys and Tokens. Click on it and you'll have the option to regenerate your API key if needed. This feature is handy if you ever need to update or secure your keys. So that's basically how you can get Twitter API key and OAuth client ID and client secret. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.